Is Elon Musk reading your tweets to tell you the news? Forget fake news. The future is AI filtered news based on what everyone is tweeting. Elon Musk's X rolls out Stories, a premium feature that uses a mysterious AI named Grok to summarize news based on user tweets. Imagine getting your news feed curated by memes and hot takes. Thinks it'll be accurate? No, who knows? But buckle up. The future of news might be as messy and hilarious as your Twitter feed. Next, forget leaving your phone with strangers. Apple's got you covered, maybe. Remember that awkward moment you hand your precious iPhone to a repair person praying they don't, borrow your selfies? Apple might have a solution, but with a twist. Leak suggests a new repair state mode in iOS 17.5, letting you keep Find My Phone active on your phone. Not sure why Apple wants this. Are Apple phones being compromised by repair persons? Is that why the company is planning to do this feature? Looks so, but one thing's for sure. Repairs might get a whole lot more interesting or frustrating in the future. Next, your phone now talks back and listens to everything, especially you. The Nothing Phone 2A just got a whole lot chattier. A new update brings in ChatGPT integration, letting you chat with the AI assistant using your Nothing earbuds. But here's the twist. It can also see what you copy and screenshot. Is this the future of smartphones or just a recipe for privacy paranoia? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. Keeping secrets from your phone might be a thing of the past. Next, Apple prepares to unleash its AI arsenal. Get ready for I think, and maybe I remember buying it. Apple just dropped a cryptic hint about exciting generative AI coming soon. Buckle up because rumors suggest these AI features will be built straight into your iPhone. Imagine a Safari browser that reads articles for you or erases those pesky ads. But with great power comes great responsibility and privacy concerns. Can Apple crack the code on AI that's both helpful and secure? Stay tuned because the future of iPhone intelligence might be just around the corner. Next, your Samsung phone just got smarter, for South Koreans anyway. Calling all Galaxy owners in South Korea. The wait is over. One UI 6.1, a massive update packed with AI features, is here for your S22, S21, S23, and S24, and all the foldables. Enjoy a smarter search function and AI-powered fun like fancy wallpapers. But hold your horses, everyone else. This update is just getting started on its global rollout. India will be next. So buckle up and wait for your turn to experience the future of Samsung's AI-powered phone magic. Next, rupees 90 crore nightmare. Online gambling scam goes bust. Crypto wallets seized. Forget the high returns. All this online game offered were high regrets. 90 crore in crypto wallets linked to a shady gaming app called eNugget have been seized by the authorities. The app lured users with promises of riches, but instead left them with empty pockets. This is a stark reminder that if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So steer clear of these crypto cons and gamble responsibly.